As you can see, the boat is extremely clean. 300s on the back. They are color matched now to the hull. I don't know if you've heard any of that, but that's what we're going on. He does have the heat running in the boat. Ironically, the electronics are all heated, the cabin's heated. We moved the configuration around. It's got dual VHF radios. Like I said, it's got a Seakeeper 3 around this thing. Get down in the cabin. It does have the cushions out. The custom covers. Boat's only got a max of 125 hours on it. Microwave. Walk around. Freshwater wash down, saltwater wash down. Windlass. There's a bow table that goes here. This thing is extremely loaded. Razor light here. The Psionics camera. This is your antenna for the Starlink. Garmin electronics, carbon fiber outriggers, dual antennas. I think they even added a few extra rod holders going down the side. The fish box back there is actually refrigerated. The refrigerator or freezer. And then there's good pictures of the seat and the console there, so I'm not going to uncover that right now. And then this is just a little trash can. So, side door. All right, if you have questions or want to see something specific, let me know.